In the last few years, nothing in your life doubled, but your expenses did. Groceries are up, fuel is up, rent is up, and it's not just one country, it's everywhere. This isn't personal, it's global. Most people will adjust their lifestyle, but not their thinking. Same routine, higher costs. That's why everything feels expensive. Even when nothing in your life changed. After 2020, money was created at scale, trillions, not millions. More money, same goods. Prices adjust when money increases. At the same time, supply chains slowed. More money chasing fewer goods. Then energy got expensive. If fuel rises, everything rises. You're paying for the journey behind everything. Now combine it all, pressure, and that shows up as everything feeling expensive. Your income didn't grow the same way, so you're falling behind in real terms. You feel it in hesitation, in spending decisions. Once prices move, they stay, you adjust. Not the system. Small increases, everywhere. And suddenly, everything feels expensive. But here's what most people don't notice. This isn't a temporary phase, it's a reset. Because prices will keep moving. This has happened before. Different years, different headlines, same pattern. Whenever money expands faster than real output, prices adjust upward. Not suddenly, but steadily. That's why it feels like everything is getting expensive at once. What feels expensive today is just a new baseline forming. And once that level is accepted, everything builds on top of it. So this doesn't reverse. It continues. And the people who understand this move differently. Because the system rewards positioning, not reaction. Most people will adjust their lifestyle, but not their thinking. Same routine, higher costs. That's why everything feels expensive, even when nothing in your life changed. Subscribe, or keep upgrading your income, while your reality stays the same. Subscribe to Money Cartel. Not because I asked, because it finally made sense.